Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a oatmeal banana waffles. My nickname is CzechFlash. On my channel I do products review, I cook and enjoy my life. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. And now let's get into these waffles. All you need for these waffles is half of banana, half cup of oats, half tablespoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg. First we need to blend the oats. Now half of banana, 1 egg, half teaspoon of baking powder, cinnamon, and half teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now mix it all together. I think this is good. Now I'm going to get ready the waffle maker. Let's make waffles. Now we have to wait. They are done and delicious. Question of the day: what is your favorite type of breakfast? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, in section below you will find all the instruction and ingredients how to make these waffles. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, leave me a comment below. Until the next time, have a great day.